In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to present PowerPoint on Webex. To get started, open the Webex app and make sure you're already inside an active meeting. This is important because the presentation tools you need will only appear once the meeting has started. If you're not in the meeting yet, go ahead and join first, then return to the meeting window so you can access the sharing controls. Once you're in the meeting, look toward the bottom of the screen for the share icon and click on it. This is the main tool Webex uses to let you present content to everyone in the meeting. After selecting the share option, choose File. This tells Webex that instead of sharing your full screen or a single app window, you want to upload a presentation file directly. Next, click Upload, and then click Next to continue. At this point, Webex will prompt you to browse your computer for the presentation you want to show. Take a moment to locate your PowerPoint file, click on it to select it, and then click Open. Make sure you choose the correct version of the presentation before moving forward, especially if you have multiple copies saved in different folders. After you open the file, Webex will begin processing it. This can take just a few seconds, or it may take a little longer, depending on the size of the PowerPoint and how many slides, images, or animations it contains. During this time, it's best to wait for the upload to finish completely before trying to present so everything loads properly for your audience. And that's it. Once the file finishes processing, your PowerPoint will be ready to present through Webex. If you found this helpful, you can use the same process anytime you need to share a presentation in a meeting.